September 4th, the third missile came back. This is what happened. The payload flew again and dropped away, releasing an extreme MIDI surge. The event reached catastrophic note density, pushing systems beyond safe limits. The note stream escalated instantly, creating unstable playback conditions and critical system stress. Follow these instructions. 1. Remain calm and do not force playback. 2. Lower playback speed to minimum. 3. Set polyphony to the lowest possible value. 4. Disable all VSTS, effects, and visualizers. 5. Close background applications immediately. 6. Stop playback at the first sign of instability. We repeat those instructions. 1. Remain calm.